The Atwood 4-in-1 Convertible Crib by Childcraft is a versatile piece of furniture that adapts to your child's growth, transitioning from a crib to a daybed, toddler bed, and eventually a full-size bed. Constructed from strong and sturdy pine wood and veneers, this crib is designed to last and features a safe, non-toxic finish to ensure your child's safety. The crib offers 3 adjustable mattress positions to accommodate your growing child's needs, providing flexibility and convenience for parents. Safety is a top priority with the Atwood Crib, as it meets or exceeds the highest safety standards to keep your child secure. Measuring 55.75 inches in length, 30 inches in width, and 47 inches in height when assembled, the crib comes with tools and instructions for easy setup. The Atwood Crib not only promises durability and safety, but also offers a stylish design with its cocoa bean brown finish, making it a great addition to any nursery.